Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy M12, and today I will show you how you can hide status and the navigation bar on the screenshot. So at the first we have to go for the settings, tap on the search pool and then type screenshots. Let's enter for this one. And right now let's take the first screenshot. And as you can see right here, on our screenshot you can find both bars, right? So if you want to turn them off, we can make it very easy by tapping on this feature. When you take a screenshot one more time, you cannot find these bars on the screen. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.